Welcome back to Mini Spoon Asia. Today we're making one of Japan's most comforting home-cooked meals, Oyakodon, a delicious chicken and egg rice bowl that has been loved for generations. The name Oyakodon literally means parent and child bowl, referring to the combination of chicken and eggs cooked together. This simple yet satisfying dish first appeared in Japan in the late 19th century and has since become a favorite for busy families because it is quick to prepare, nutritious, and incredibly comforting. Every spoonful combines tender chicken, silky eggs, savoury broth, and fluffy, steamed rice, making it a perfect meal any day of the week. To begin, heat a small frying pan over medium heat and pour in the prepared dashi broth. Add soy sauce, mirin, sake, and a little sugar, then stir gently until everything is well combined. Add the sliced onions and let them simmer for a few minutes until they become soft and slightly sweet. Next, place the bite-sized chicken pieces into the simmering broth and cook gently until the chicken is fully cooked and tender. Once the chicken is ready, spread it evenly across the pan. Lightly beat the eggs without overmixing, so you still have visible streaks of egg white and yolk. Slowly pour most of the beaten eggs over the chicken and onions, allowing the eggs to cook gently for about 1 minute. Then pour the remaining eggs over the top and cook just until they are softly set with a silky texture. The eggs should remain slightly creamy instead of fully firm. Sprinkle sliced spring onions over the top for freshness and aroma. Fill serving bowls with hot steamed Japanese rice, then carefully slide the chicken, eggs, onions, and flavorful broth over the rice. Serve immediately while everything is piping hot. One of the secrets to great oyakodon is using gentle heat throughout the cooking process. Boiling the eggs too hard will make them dry instead of soft and silky. Fresh eggs make a noticeable difference because they create a richer texture. Cutting the chicken into evenly sized pieces helps everything cook at the same speed, while allowing the onions enough time to soften adds natural sweetness to balance the savory broth. Finally, serve the dish immediately after cooking, because oyakodon tastes best when the eggs are still tender and the broth is soaking into the warm rice. For this recipe, you will need 2 boneless, skinless chicken thighs, about 300 grams, cut into bite-sized pieces. 1 medium onion, thinly sliced, about 150 grams. 4 large eggs. 2 cups of cooked Japanese short grain rice, about 400 grams. 1 cup of dashi stock. 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. 2 tablespoons of mirin, 1 tablespoon of sake. 1 teaspoon of sugar, and 1 spring onion, thinly sliced for garnish. The estimated total calories for the entire dish are approximately 1,200 calories. The estimated calories per 100 grams are approximately 160 calories. It is easy to understand why oyakodon has remained one of Japan's most beloved comfort foods. The combination of tender chicken, soft silky eggs, sweet onions, and fragrant rice creates a meal that is both nourishing and deeply satisfying. It is simple enough for a weeknight dinner yet comforting enough to enjoy whenever you need a warm homemade meal. Once you try making it yourself, you'll discover why so many families continue to treasure this classic recipe. If you enjoyed today's recipe, please share it with your family and friends, give this video a like, and subscribe to Mini Spoon Asia for more delicious Asian home cooking recipes. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.